fits with slap chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day because you're gonna be slapping your troubles away with a slap chop. Now, look, here's a potato. With a slap, you got big chunks for stews. Two slaps, home fries in a second. And look at this. If you add a mushroom, the more you do, the more you get. Great. Now, you love salad. You hate making it. You know you hate making salad. That's why you don't have any salad in your diet. Watch this. One slap, salad. I love pizza too, but once in a while, get the veggies in. At least throw it on top of the pizza. You're gonna change it. Watch, 5 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. This tuna looks boring. Stop having a boring tuna. Stop having a boring life. Add this tuna, put it like this. Now you're gonna have a nice tuna salad. Look, here's a hard-boiled egg. One chop, you add the pickle, you add the green onion. And what you can do, you can mix things together. You add the ham, and you're gonna You're gonna love my nuts. Watch this. Almonds, walnuts. Comes with a cover, so you can do everything in the cover. All right, or you can do it on the board, whatever you like. So easy. One thing. You guys can do what you want. You can do it. Charge at the ice cream stores. $1 for toppings at the ice cream stores. Add a couple cookies. Anyway, not only nuts. What about fruit? Put a mango. The reason you're gonna slap away every day is because it's so easy to clean. 1, 2, and pops open like that, like a butterfly to clean. Now these other ones that you see in the stores, bacteria gets in the food. All the stores have this. You can't clean it. You can't open this up. It's worthless. Forget about it. Now take the slap chop, put it back together, and you get the garlic. All right, here's the garlic with the skin. There you go. So these skins of the garlic. You're gonna eat more garlic. The onions with the skin. All right, this is making you cry, making me cry. All right, life's hard enough as it is. You don't want to cry anymore. Put the slap chop right there. The skin's of the garlic. Processor. The skin comes right off. You see that? All right, now put a tomato in there. Add your cilantro, your hot peppers right there. Guys, we're gonna make America skinny again. One slap at a time.
It's very quick. It's a time saver for recipes.
Take it apart, washes, put it in the drawer, good to go.
It's easy, you just got one hand and chop.
Now here's the deal. When you buy the slap chop, we're gonna give you the grady for cheese. White cheese, yellow cheese. In the container. Comes with a twister. And watch this taco. Ready cheese, linguine, martini, zucchini. Look at that. Comes with 2 plates. Just bang it. Cheese comes right out. Fine and coarse. Parmesan comes with a cover. Stay sealed. Put it in the fridge. Take it out when you need it. Pass it around the table. You're gonna love this thing. The slap chop sells for $29.95. But if you call now within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day, you're gonna get the grady absolutely free. So that's 2 for $29.95. The slap chop with the grady. Here's how to order. Call